welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another DIY video, which is of course one of my favourite videos to make. I have teamed up today with Create Your World, who have sent me this. Wonder what's inside here. This is some window film, and yeah, they've kind of kindly gifted me this to put on my windows. It's basically for privacy and also for just decor because it looks really pretty. There's loads of different designs you can get. I have gone for some striped because I love stripes. I absolutely, is this striped? No, that's dotted. I love stripes. I'm usually wearing stripes. I absolutely love stripes. So this is the striped window film. So I'll pop a little link to what this one is in the description. I think it's called Linia or something. I'll write it below. And it's a beautiful design of a lovely, just really simple, modern kind of design of stripes. And you can either put it on your window vertically or horizontally. So I need to kind of decide, because I was thinking horizontal, but then I don't know, I might consider the vertical. So I'm not actually going to use this on my entire window. I'm just going to do kind of almost halfway, because I feel like I like to be able to see out, but then I also like to kind of be private. Does that make sense? So I want half and half basically. I think it's going to look really nice with this stripe design, so I'm going to get on with that in a minute. But yesterday I had a massive house clean and I cleaned the windows inside and out, so I'm going to insert some footage of me doing that right now. So the actual stuff I'm calling window film, but you can call it static film because it basically, it's not actually got a sticky back to it, it's static, so it actually just like clings to your window, and you can remove it and reapply as much as you like, I'm pretty sure, but not that you'd want to. But if you wanted to change it up, or I don't know, take it off to just give your window a good clean or something, you can do. And you literally just apply it by using a little bit of water. You spray the water onto the glass and then pop the static film on, and it just clings to it, and it's just, yeah, so easy to install, and it's so much cheaper than getting actual blinds installed or net curtains. That's what I used to have when I was younger. My dad had net curtains up, and I'm pretty sure most people in my state still have net curtains up, because I don't know, it's the older generation used to have, that used to be in fashion, but now it just isn't, is it? So yeah, I took all those net curtains down a long time ago. This actually has 95% UV protection in as well, so it really helps if you are pale like me standing in your window and you don't want to get, you know, sunburn. I think the main benefit really is for stopping your furniture from fading, because I know obviously if you've got, yeah, a window that gets a lot of light and you've got particular furniture or items in your window that can fade, it really, like, I've had that happen before on certain things that I put on my windowsill. They just kind of fade with the sun, so this really helps, and it reduces glare as well. So if you've got a computer nearby your window and you just want to stop that glare coming in, but I think it's great because it really does let the light through still, so it doesn't make your house darker, if that makes sense, but it just has these little extra protection things in place. It does actually have on the back, like all of the DC Fix products do, a nice helpful measuring tool, so it will just really help you get straight lines and measure how much you actually need on your windows. hottest day to film this on. I'm so hot, and obviously I'm stood in the window. I need this window film up quickly so I'm not so hot. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. It's really nice. It looks really cool. Gives my kitchen like a whole different look. And as you can see, the bit that's like you'd think was clear, this is still a bit wet. I've just smoothed it down with a wet cloth, but this bit, yeah, that I thought was going to be clear is actually also kind of misty, so it definitely gives you that privacy. Gone for something a little bit different at the moment, see what Jim thinks, but I've put it in kind of like, well, not quite the middle, but I've kind of, yeah, given us a little bit of visibility through the bottom and then at the top. So I don't know, I thought it would be a little bit different. It kind of gets the main section where the neighbours can kind of see, so I thought that would be a nice idea. But yeah, I'll see what Jim thinks later. I may add a little bit of extra bit, but I don't know, I kind of like it like that. You can literally use this stuff on so many things. I really wish I had a glass shower screen. We just have a shower curtain, but if you've got a glass shower screen and you wanted to add a little design to it or make it a little bit more private, if it's just pure clear, you can actually put this stuff on there as well, so I think that's great. And glass tables, all sorts of things, yeah, anywhere that has glass. But I just have windows. I honestly chose to film on the hottest day ever. So yeah, that was a pretty hard job, to be honest. I thought it was going to be really nice and simple. It is, but maybe not on the hottest day ever. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and any questions just pop them below, and check out the description because I will have a link to the website Create Your World where I got this DC Fix product from. They might be able to help as well, so if you've any questions about applying it that I don't know, because I'm not an expert, I am just, you know, making this up as I go along kind of thing, just trying to come up with easy DIY things I can do at home myself. So obviously, yeah, not an expert, so go to Create Your World if you want some proper advice on anything. But take a look at all their projects, they've got loads of different things. I've previously used them for other videos and other DC Fix products. I've got a kitchen makeover if you want to check that out, and yeah, have a look at any other of my videos. And if you really enjoyed this video, please click like, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. I'm gonna go and have a cold shower.